It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, the 26th of May. I'm Michael Groff. Temperatures rather toasty around here today and tomorrow, but then a gradual cooling trend takes place through the holiday weekend and into the first half of next week. Unfortunately, about the only sensible weather that we'll have is breezy to locally windy conditions at times. No chance of any precipitation anytime soon. Let's get into it here, taking a look at the almanac from yesterday. 103 degrees, the afternoon high, 75 the morning low, the normal high, 98, the normal low 72. And as we look outside right now, it's 7:10 a.m., sunny sky across the valley. We're sitting at 81 degrees already at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 36, relative humidity 20%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. The weather pattern across the country this morning features a vigorous upper low, the center of which just to the west of Joplin, Missouri, and to the east of that feature, some heavy rain and strong storms are possible. On the backside, we've got a ridge building in here over the southwest, and that's continuing our warm-up, and that will continue for the next couple of days before the ridge gradually starts to break down this weekend. The watch warning map across the nation is pretty quiet. We do have some flood watches over parts of the Gulf Coast from around New Orleans over to Mobile, Alabama, and the Florida Panhandle. For Arizona, there's an air quality alert for Maricopa and Pinal County, once again issued by the Arizona Department of Environmental Quality. So respiratory sufferers, those of you with asthma, emphysema, you might want to avoid outdoor activity, but particularly during the afternoon and evening hours. The Convective Outlook, we've got that risk of severe storms from the Gulf Coast all the way up to as far north as Detroit, Cleveland, and Pittsburgh. Also, got another risk of severe storms out here over parts of Oregon, Washington, Idaho, and Montana. Checking out the tropics in the East Pacific, a couple of waves on the board here. That western wave probably not going to form into anything. It looks like it's fizzling out. The eastern wave, however, the National Hurricane Center giving that a 60% chance of development. And the track of that, it should stay pretty close to the Mexican coast, bringing some heavy rain and some gusty winds there, but it should have no impact on our weather. And here's a look at precipitation valid through Thursday morning of next week. Same old song and dance here. Nothing in the valley, nothing statewide, nothing region-wide, as our weather pattern will start to change a little bit, but nothing that favors precipitation. And we'll get into that right now as we take a look at those models. Here we go. This is the GFS. It's the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's our upper low moving through southeast Missouri this afternoon. Some active weather to the east and southeast of that feature. Around here, a ridge of high pressure in control, southwesterly flow aloft. So what it means for us down at the surface today, sunny and hot. Highs 102 to 106. Tonight, clear sky, overnight lows upper 60s to middle 70s. And tomorrow, sunny and hot again. Highs 102 to 106. Heading into the holiday weekend, here comes a trough over the Pacific Northwest, and that should gradually flatten out our ridge here, which will bring temperatures down a few degrees. So by Saturday, highs upper 90s to around 102 with some breeziness in the afternoon. Sunny, breezy, not quite as warm on Sunday, highs mid to upper 90s, and then Memorial Day, sunny, breezy at times, high temperatures upper 80s to low 90s, so we should see at least a couple of days or a few days with below normal temperatures here. Unfortunately, as you can see, all the precipitation is going to stay far to the north of us. Here's Tuesday again, sunny, maybe a little breeze at times, high temperatures low to mid 90s. And then by Wednesday, a ridge starts to build back in once again, high temperatures upper 90s to around 100 or so. All right, here we go to a week from today. This is Thursday, the 2nd of June, a westerly to southwesterly flow aloft here. And so that looks dry with seasonal temperatures. And then going out 10 days. This is Saturday, the 4th of June. The GFS brings a weak positively tilted short wave into the southwest. Even if that does verify, it would result in somewhat cooler temperatures, maybe a few degrees below normal, some breezy conditions, but in that configuration, probably not much in the way of moisture, no real chance of rain, and this is 10 days out, so more than likely this scenario will change. As we look at rainfall for Phoenix, this is going out through the 9th of June, coming off of the GFS ensemble, and again, no meaningful chances of precipitation anytime during at least the next 14 to 15 days. And temperatures off the national blend of models. There you can see that downtrend, especially as we head into the first half of next week. And then temperatures should rebound somewhat thereafter as the long, hot summer will be in full effect. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, leave those comments, questions, and suggestions. Music fans, yes, go ahead and check out my streaming station. It's called KMGX. We play a ton of music, have a lot of fun while doing that. myself, and the one and only Michelle work tirelessly and relentlessly to make sure that that station is sounding awesome, playing just the most chaotic mix of music. Some of it's Michelle, some of it's me, some of it is just completely random. Actually, most of it is completely random, and you know you're going to love it. So I'm going to leave a link to it in the description. All right, thank you so much for watching and all of your continued support. It is so greatly appreciated. You guys be safe, stay cool, stay hydrated out there, and have yourselves an absolutely legendary Thursday.